Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I am so excited because today I have a new box to my channel. It is Active Life Beauty. So do you want to see what's in it? Give me 1 second. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this channel, you like its content, you just like anything, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. If you just like anything, a thumbs up. And if you're returning, thank you so much. And I have a new box to my channel, so hopefully you will like it. I do all sorts of unboxings. I do clothing, I do jewelry, I do makeup, I do occasionally a food item. What I don't do is cooking. Yeah, I'm just not a cook. So I know you came here to see what's in this new box. I will leave the price below. I want to say it was like in the 20s for this box, and I keep finding them either off of another YouTuber or off of Facebook or Instagram. Some of them have great deals, and I'm looking for my scissors because I thought I opened it, but I missed a couple spots. So I hope you're having a great day, a great week. Don't know what you're doing, obviously. You guys are probably having some good weather. I hear there's good weather. Well, I take that back. I hear like Florida might be getting hit with storms. So yeah, so if you're getting hit with storms, I apologize. Okay, so I can't remember. I think I ordered this box like a month and a half ago, and they showed some pictures. And I think this was like so that you can do some exercising, because you know we're all kind of staying at home and maybe eating a little bit too much. So I'm not sure exactly what was in it, but it was kind of like, you know, to get healthy and to work out. And I don't see a card in here. What I do see is making me a little nervous. So there's this little mat. Obviously, I'm not sure what you do with this little mat. And this looks like you have to put it together. Oh. And maybe weight, these are weights, but I don't, okay. This is what happens when they don't put directions in a box. So this probably goes on here somehow, but because this looks like see, this looks like the handle, but then where do these go? Okay, this is definitely a challenged box for me. So do they both go here? So when they send me, you know, a lot of these boxes, I think have sent me like, what did you think of the box? Oh, I know what this is. This is like the rolly. So you get on the floor. That's what I saw. You get on the floor and without falling flat on your stomach, you're supposed to roll. And maybe this is like the rolling thing so you don't, you know, ruin your carpet. So that's kind of cool. I'll let you know how this works out for me. You might see me in the next video with broken wrists. Yeah, so that's what this is. And I think, again, this is the mat so that you can roll on. So yeah, I did like this. So yeah, forgive me that I just don't know what to do. And then there's this Active Life thing. I'm not sure if it was a headband. To be honest, it all came in this box. So I'm gonna give it just like a 1 cactus for the packaging. There's no tissue, there's no nothing. This was just all thrown in, not put together. There's no card. So I'm not really impressed with their packaging at all. And I'm not sure what this is, if it's because there's just one of this. So people, if you work out, let me know what I'm supposed to do with this. It doesn't look like it would fit. I really don't know what this is. Then there is, it looks like a Keurig Saturday's chocolate donut light roast for coffee. So I do like this, but again, I'm just like so underwhelmed with the packaging. And then there's a liquid hydration multiplier electrolyte energy drink. So you can put this in your water, so when you're exhausted from putting this together and then working out with it, you'll have an energized water. But I'm sorry, what is this? I don't know. Then we have Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Facial Spray by Grace and Stella. So I did, in my link above, I did get a Grace and Stella spray. I think it was in my Bombay and Cedar Beauty box. So this is really nice. And this is kind of a pricier item. So I do appreciate this. Again, hello. And then the last item is multi-use. It is the Spongel Black Orchid Body Wash Infused Buffer. And I do love these. We get these in so many beauty boxes. So they are definitely worth the money. And if you, after you're working out, doing all this, and trying to figure out what this is perfect. Oh my God, this smells awesome. I'm pretty sure like I had a coupon, so I didn't spend a lot on this, but it'll be going across the screen. But I'm just so underwhelmed that I don't know if I would order another one of these boxes, because there's no sheet and the packaging. But this, I'm sure, is worth, you know, $10 or $15. And I will definitely use that, and I will show you the results. But tell me what this is. It's probably the easiest thing to figure out for those of you that work out, but I have no idea. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, and I think the thing that got me was it had this in there, and there was some, you know, other items of use, and that's kind of why I got this. So let me know if this is something you would get, if this is something you would use, if you think, you know, I should order it again. I mean, obviously they're not going to put this in there, but just let me know. I'm just stumped. Okay then, and don't forget, I'm trying to get to 4,500 subscribers so that I can do a great giveaway. And don't worry, I'm not going to be putting this in my 4,500 subscriber giveaway. I might put this in there. So, as always, you guys have an awesome day.